I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. I'm just trying to do what I can do today. So that's the plan today. We're gonna go shopping. It's the next day. I don't know what day this is. 2, 3, 3, 4. I don't know. Anyway, this is two very different sizes of wood. Get this project done. Y'all, it's Wednesday morning. Today is trash day. The first thing that's going, the TV. It's still actually on the cart that it was on when I brought it into the garage. So that's the first thing to go. And then I'm gonna figure out what else can go. Get that out first. Empty boxes. I think they can go. Empty paint cans. Probably trash. This one is not empty, but I'm pretty sure it's probably gone bad. I don't know how long it's been out here, and I don't know, it sounds kind of separated. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of this as well. The last thing I think I'm gonna take to the curb is these door jams. I actually picked these up off the side of the road, and this was during COVID when wood prices were like 2x4s were like $10 or something ridiculous. I saw this wood, I was like, let me get this wood. But after I thought about it, I was like, I don't know if it has lead paint or not, so I never used it, and it's still sitting here. So I think I'm gonna take that out to the curb. And I think that might be it for this week until I'm able to kind of go through things a little bit better. So I think my goal is once a week, I'm going to identify things that I can, you know, that are trash that need to go out to the curb, and go ahead and take those things out so that when they pick it up on Wednesday, they can take that with them. So yeah, I think that those few little things are gonna kind of help start to open the space up. So I'm gonna get these things out. Let me get my gloves and take these out. Yeah, that might be it for today. Oh, and dump the trash. Actually have trash in here. I do have a trash can. It's over there. Let me dig that out and take that out as well. All right, that's it for this round. We'll pick back up with continuing the wood storage rack. Once that's done, that should really free up some different areas to start doing some other things. So yeah, I'm starting to get excited. All right, it's Saturday. It's officially been about 1 week I've been working on this one-day project. So today is the day we are going to wrap this thing up no matter what. I don't have much left to do, but I have what I need to be able to finish. So let's get it done. It's time to move on to the next project. the base level construction of the rack. So I got 4 of the upright pieces, and then be able to slide wood and things like that in this middle part. So now I need to make the braces. So there's going to be braces connecting each of these tall pieces to each other. Then also a piece at the bottom as kind of like a stopper for sheet goods and things like that that may be sitting here on the 2 sides. And I think that's pretty much it. Probably will add a handle or something somewhere to make it a little easier to maneuver, but maybe not. I guess I could just pull it by this thing. But anyway, this is basically it. It's already kind of heavy, so I'll just cut the braces and connect those, and then this project will be done. So I can I guess start organizing what I have. I'm gonna see if I can use some scrap pieces, because it does have in the plans to put shelves, you know, run pieces here if you want to. It's optional, but I may see if I have some scrap pieces I can use for that part. If not, I'm not gonna worry about it. Final stages in the plan is to add some shelf pieces, 1/4 inch shelf pieces. So these are the only like somewhat larger pieces of scrap wood, 1/4 inch that I have. So I'm just gonna use this. These 3 pieces are enough to do like 3 sections, like 1, 2, 3, but not these 2. So I think I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3 sections here. That will allow me space to put like shorter pieces, can just kind of stack here. If I get some more 1/4 inch, you know, actually, hold on. I have this also. Has staples are, you know, still in it, but this was the back of the cabinet that I took down in the kitchen where the vent hood was. I think this was the backer piece of that cabinet, or some cabinet, I don't know which one, but I could use this too. And that maybe would give me 1 or 2 more sections, or maybe at least I could do the top section completely, fill that in. Maybe I'll just do the top and then leave the bottom 2 open and just use those for longer pieces. As per usual, I guess I'll just play it by ear and just figure it out as I go. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. And then this project will pretty much be done. Then I can kind of start loading this thing up, and also in the process decide what to purge and get rid of, because like I said before, ideally I would like to put everything on here, and anything that does not fit on here goes to the curb. So we will see. if it's the weather, because it's kind of cold today, as you can see from how I'm dressed. The tools just are not cooperating today. I don't know if you saw the difficulty I'm having with the circular saw. The nail gun is being janky, doesn't really want to work. But despite all that, I got the rack functional enough. I don't have all of the shelf pieces in, but I have a couple of them, so I can use those for any shortcuts, short pieces. I also did not build the vertical storage component of this because I'm not sure if I'm going to need it, so I'm just going to wait, and I can add that in later if I need to. So the last step is to just try to go ahead and organize the wood onto the rack, and that will kind of give me an idea if I need to change anything about this structure or not. And the good thing about it is that it is on wheels, so as I am kind of working my way through the garage, if I need to roll it outside to get it out of the way, that'll be simple enough, and then I can bring it back in when I'm finished with whatever project I'm working on at that time. So I think I'm going to start over here and work my way that way and just see how much can this rack hold. Oh, maybe I should start with this over here behind you to the side here. This table sprinkled amongst all these things is wood, so I don't know where I'm gonna start, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start loading this rack up and see how much we can hold and how much to throw away. Yeah, then I'll be ready to get started on the next project.